Well guys, I was checking why those LEDs were not lighting up, so I turned it on again, this power supply, and when I raise the limit, that is 15 volt, it shows me 1.8 to 7 maximum volts, so it was broken, and I know it was the transistor. I will change it because it was overheated. So I thought, why not to show you what's inside. So those are the leads of transistor, that is NPN transistor, to N3055 transistor, as you can see here. This is the fuse. Let me turn off power. This is the fuse here. As you can see, I have changed it. Just a second. So this is the transformer. As you can see here, it's 220 to 240 volts, 10 volts output blue, and 20 volts output yellow. So those are 20 volts, those are 10 volts. And this is the board. It's complicated. Those are for adjusting this switch here. Let me show it you. As you can see, this adjusts here. As you can see. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't show. Let me test it. Let's bring back the leads. So the voltage now is normal, and those probes also work. As you can see, it reacts. Is 15 volts, but those are damaged. Even this is a little bit damaged. I will change the transistor later. So those are potentiometers here.